affecting her voice. Well, masolve niya kaya itong problema na to with the song chosen by overall voice mentor herself. Please welcome honorary scholar, Poy.
Oh, tell me where is this someone who will turn to look at me and want to share my every sweet imagined possibility. The more I live,
Honorary Scholar Poy, pakinggan natin ang reaksyon ng jury sa iyong binigay na performance. Mr. Jim.
Poy, you had me from the beginning until somewhere in the middle. Medyo pumayo ka ng konti dun sa piece of the sky, no? Medyo na-distract ako rin ng konti, pero nahabol mo, parang kumambyo ka ulit to give it a really grand finale. And overall, very impressive. Very impressive.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. The jury was still impressed. Maraming salamat, Mr. Jim. Thank you po. Ay, makakabalik ka na sa loob na Academy. Isang performance na lang at magsasara na ang botohan, kaya huwag nyo nang itigil ang pagligtas para kina Apple, Arnie at Miguel. Magbabalik po ang Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2.
Poy was okay.
Scary lang yung part niyo.
Lizelle, same thing. Parang medyo malabo yung performance.
That was, I think, Lizelle's worst performance.
Yeah, sharp siya
Of all the that's her worst. She wasn't sharp, she was shrill.
Okay.
That's her
Sa lahat.
worst performance.
Kanino ka boto? Sa ano? Ako Bugoya, sorry.
Sa bagong school year ng Pinoy Dream Academy,